In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Spicetify for Spotify. This is for the PC guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Spotify experience using Spicetify. This tool lets you add custom themes, extensions, and more. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First is to reinstall Spotify. This is important. Uninstall Spotify if you got it from Microsoft Store, and download and install Spotify from the official Spotify website instead. Log into your Spotify account after you install it. Second is to install Spicetify. Go to Google and search for Spicetify GitHub or visit Spicetify GitHub page. Follow the installation instructions based on your operating system. For Windows, open Command Prompt or PowerShell as administrator and then copy and paste the command IWR-useb, which you'll see onto the screen. If prompted, type N and press enter when necessary. Paste and run the second command given on the installation page. Third step is to launch and customize Spotify. After installation, Spotify will open automatically. You'll notice a new tab called Marketplace. Click it to access. Themes change how Spotify looks, which when it comes on extensions, just simply add custom functionality to your player. Custom configurations. Tweak various settings to personalize your experience. The final setup tips is to configure Spicetify to your liking, choose your preferred theme, enable any extensions you want to use, and restart Spotify if needed for changes to apply. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.